I tested the 10 top manual carpet sweepers, and this happens to be one of them. So this is from Clean Home. This is the carpet sweeper. Start with the Clean Home. Now, let me tell you a little bit about this one. So this one is marketed for those people that have pet hair, dander, things like that. So I obviously had to go and test that. So these are the things I wanted to know before I got it, and I tried to get as much of it in a video as possible. So here we go. Now, I wanted to know, is the hair pickup as good as it cleans? And I would say, yes, it is. Now, what you're seeing is actually me putting it over cat hair. And what I did is I got a bunch of my cat hair and I just put it inside of a little square and I used it. Now, I think where this really shines is where it's embedded into the carpet itself. This will actually help bring it up. So that's something I was not able to capture on camera, but that's where I think this shines. Not necessarily the cat hair that's just kind of sitting on top. It's the stuff that's really in the carpet for that. Now, something else about this is the rollers themselves. It's not like a normal brush type of roller. And so that beauty of that is that the hair won't stick to it. So that was amazing. I have to say, blown away I was. I wanted to know how loud was it going to be. And here is the honesty, right? This is louder than a lot of the others that I tested. So keep that in mind. Is it super loud? No, but it is louder than the majority of its competitors. So think about that. If that is going to be a major drawback for you, this one may not be it. Other than that, the sound, I didn't find it to be that crazy. It was just a little bit louder. Now, here's something I did not test. They wanted to, some reviewers wanted to know how well it worked on stairs. I can tell you from, at least on camera, I didn't test that. I can tell you from the way that it works and how it's built, yes, I can see it working on stairs. I did not test that myself. So I wanted to know, okay, what are the limits of this thing, right? How far is this going to go? And so here's what I did. I ran this through the gauntlet, like I said. First, I wanted to find out about hardwood floors because, I mean, I would rather try to see if I can't find something that's going to do everything. So I put coffee grounds and rice next to each other on the hardwood, and I tried to sweep through it. Well, it's not meant for that. So keep that in mind that if it's something super, super small, it may not pick it up as well. Now, I also put rice on the carpet and it did just fine. I did pick up pet hair in it. Now, let's talk about the pet hair. So we have to talk about the pet hair. Okay, so I have 3 cats. And so what I did is I actually got their fur. I know it's weird, but hey, I had to try it. So I got their fur and I put it into a square so I can try to go over it. Scrap that, Devin. Now, I wanted to go and test its limits, as I said. And here's the thing. When it comes to the amount of cat fur that I used, there is going to be a limit as to how much it can pick up. In fact, someone had said that they had like 4 dogs. And so anything over like a quarter size, it had some problems with. So if you have a lot of a lot of pet hair that's on the surface, it's probably not going to do that well. But again, if it's one of those dug into the carpet kind of things, I think you're going to be just fine. Now, there are some that I have tested that were only really good going forward. And as you can see in some of the clips I've already shown, I felt like it did an okay job doing both. I do feel like forward is better than backwards, but it does an okay job doing both. Now, how do you empty it? Because they're not all the same. So on top of the carpet sweeper, there is like a latch. And so what you'll do is you'll just like press the button, the latch, and the bottom will actually open up the doors. And then the hair and the stuff that you do just it falls. So it was probably one of the easier ones that I used to empty out. Now, was it easy to assemble? Okay, I want to talk about this one for a moment. Now, someone actually mentioned that they did not have instructions. And at first, I thought I didn't have instructions either. What I noticed is that the instruction booklet was kind of buried all the way down at the bottom. And I also noticed that I had an extra roller in there as well. And had I not taken everything out, make sure you check the box because everything is in there. It's just, it doesn't look like you're going to have this extra thing in there, but you do. That was kind of nice. So it wasn't difficult to actually assemble it. There's stickers there. It was pretty self-explanatory on how to put it together once I did get the instructions. So one of the things I like about this is that it's pretty lightweight, and I think that's going to be great for people that have accessibility issues. Maybe they can't push, maybe they can't pull. For me, my vacuum cleaner happens to be super, super heavy. And so there is like a real energy that you need to put behind pushing it and pulling it. That's one of the reasons why to be honest, I hate vacuuming. I hate vacuuming. And I hate vacuuming. And that's why, because it is so much work. Well, with this, you don't have that. Super lightweight. It doesn't take much to push and pull at all. Now, the beauty of this is you don't need to have any solutions. You don't need to have anything for this. This is a dry brush. So you're literally taking it out of a closet and you're going. That's how nice it is. You don't need to buy anything else at all, just the carpet sweeper. So is it worth the money? Here's my thought. Yes, I do think it is. The only caveat to that is this is not the kind of thing if you have massive, massive, massive amounts of hair, you're going to want to vacuum. However, this is going to be really nice to keep up with that over the course of like a week or whatever, and then do a major vacuum at another time. This will keep things at bay until you're ready to do that. That's the only thing. Tons of reviews have all kind of said the same thing. I am not going to disagree with them. I love this. I love this a lot. As someone that has 3 cats, this is great. You're going to love this.